This is registered dietitian Vandana Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful, delicious peach smoothie. So start off by adding about a cup of milk. I'm using soy milk, but you could use regular milk, you could use almond milk. Be creative. Next I'm going to add in a fresh whole peach, and they're delicious this time of the year. I leave the peel on so we get a little bit more fiber. Add half a banana, get some potassium in there, and finally I'm adding half a cup of frozen mangoes. You could use fresh mangoes, but I like to add frozen so I don't have to add ice cubes. It doesn't dilute the flavor. I also like to add a little bit of protein powder. So this is soy protein powder, but you could add any other protein powder if you choose to. And that's it. Just put this in the blender, turn it on for about 45 seconds till you get the consistency that you want. Now that it's been blending for about 45 seconds, it's perfect. So all you have to do is just pour it in a cup. And I like to sprinkle a little cinnamon to add an extra touch. Here you have it. Delicious peach smoothie. This is registered dietitian Vandana Chef.